How to fix Facebook login issues on TikTok. If you're trying to log into TikTok using your Facebook account but it's not working, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, and tap Settings. Next, scroll down to Your Activity section and tap on Apps and Websites. Continue scrolling until you find the Apps, Websites, and Games option. If it is turned on, turn it off first by tapping Turn Off and confirming. Then, turn it back on by selecting Turn On. Once done, close the Facebook app. Now, open the TikTok app. Tap the menu, 3 lines, in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Free Up Space. Next to Cache, tap Clear, and do the same for downloads. After clearing the data, fully close both Facebook and TikTok apps. Then reopen TikTok and try logging in again using your Facebook account. If the issue still isn't fixed, open your App Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and check for updates. Tap Update All to ensure TikTok is fully updated. Finally, restart your phone and try again. This should resolve the login issue.